I don't know if any of you people out there deal with snoring issues. You know, you're with your dude, you're with your chick, you're hanging out, you're trying to get some sleep, and then this knucklehead next door is, you know, is just snoring, and that's not cool. We have a device that's called the Snorple. It's not snorkel, it's not snore, it's Snorple, and it's for people that do what? They snore device. So you guys got to check it out. It's for sleep apnea. You know, a lot of people can't sleep. And, you know, it's an annoying thing when someone next to you. But no more, because you got what, dudes? Snorple. So check it out.